Chasing numbers. Welcome to Subramani. When you are retired or financially independent, you do not need to chase numbers, right? Well, you look at some other kind of numbers and you keep chasing something or the other, and you wonder why are you chasing it. The fact that I am financially independent is known to people, but I am not retired. I still do a lot of work. I mean, even you are watching this video, put some money in my bank. Big money, small money, I'm not talking about that, but I am not really financially retired in the sense that I still have activities which make me money. And if I don't have to chase numbers and I have no fun chasing numbers, why do I still feel proud that almost 200,000 copies of my book, Retire Rich, Invest Rupees 40 a Day, this book which I am talking about, has sold and that to 200,000 numbers or close to that. The logic is very simple. One is to look at the money that you make, and believe me, book writing doesn't make you much money. But I still do lectures for mutual funds, for banks, for investors association, and huge numbers of lectures for doctors, and this is all sponsored by pharma companies. I've done for 5 pharma companies so far, and growing. That list is hopefully growing, which means I've addressed upwards of 7,000 doctors, and I addressed 1,200 doctors recently for one company. It was, of course, an online thing. So what is there to feel good about? Well, I do think in this country financial awareness is still very, very nascent. And nobody really wants you to get financially educated. A mutual fund wants you to know X and not more. A life insurance company wants you to know Y and not more. And a company selling NPS wants you to think that all the money should go into NPS. For example, a company which is specializing in selling NPS or in managing NPS also has an insurance arm and mutual fund arm, and the way they talk about each other is unbelievable, because each guy is a competitor to the other, or that's how they look at it. Of course, NPS has a huge advantage of 50,000 rupee tax break, but the way it comes back to you as a taxable income, it's not a very attractive option for younger people. Maybe for older people it is still an okay thing, but can I go to a public platform and say NPS is not good? I doubt it. Term insurance, for example, is a great product, but we are being beautifully conned into buying term insurance till the age of 85. Term insurance is something which you need only till the age of 55. If you have not earned your money for your goals by the time you are 55, then obviously something is wrong with the process. However, if you are a doctor and if you just borrowed money to buy a bigger hospital or a bigger clinic or whatever, then you might need. So it is very, very specific, but the only product that you should be buying is term insurance. However, there are so many products available, right? So financial awareness is something which ideally the government of India should do, but it's not happening. And even if the government of India does some initiative, the content is not good at all, and it is very likely that the people who come there will nod their heads and go away, right? So simple things like making a will, making a goal sheet, making your balance sheet, all these things are very useful, and in various books and blogs, people are pushing you to do those things. So if 2 lakh people have pulled 300 rupees to 600 rupees from their pocket to buy a book, even assuming that 25% or 50% of them have read it, that still means about 1 lakh of people have read my book, either my book for doctors or the book of for Retire Rich, and that definitely gives a sense of pleasure, saying that that's fine. I am chasing numbers, but I am chasing numbers largely to spread financial education, right? So that is very satisfying, that somebody is pulling money out of their pocket to buy a book and read it. So, and many people who have read the book have come back to the tube and come back to YouTube and ask questions, so I will be taking up some of those questions. Thank you.